Hi Math 2. So today we're going to review simplifying radicals because this is going to be on your midterm, which is going to be at the end of the month. And so this was on our first CIA and we did okay on it, but I think you guys can do really well on this topic. So when we're simplifying a radical, first thing we want to do is we want to break down our number. So if our number is 12, we want to say what two numbers can multiply to be 12. So 2 and 6 can multiply to be 12. Now 2 is a prime number, so we're not going to break that down anymore. But 6 we can continue to break down because 6 is not prime. So 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 and 3 are both prime numbers. So this is the breakdown of the 12. So inside the radical, I'm going to rewrite 12 as 2 times 2 times 3. And we can do that because 2 times 2 is 4, times 3 is 12. Now we have x to the third, and because we have x to the third, that means we have 3 x's. And then we have y squared, which means we have 2 y's. Now this is a square root, and if we were going to write an index out here, we'd write a 2. Now we don't ever write that because you should know that that symbol means a square root. That radical sign is square. But since our index is 2, square meaning 2, we want to circle groups of 2 inside the radical. So we have a group of 2 here, here, and here. And anything that got circled gets to come outside the radical, but we only write it one time per group. So even though we have a group of 2 2's, I'm only going to write it one time because I have one group of 2's. I have one group of x's and one group of y's. And then I have some things that are not circled, and so we're going to leave them inside the radical. So here, the 3 is not circled and the x is not circled, so I'm going to leave 3 and x inside the radical sign, and this is our final answer. So go ahead and copy that and then try the problems on the back.